The global hydrological cycle is expected to intensify under climate change as a consequence of increased temperatures in the troposphere. The threat in this instance is increased temperatures. The place that is vulnerable from this occurring is Texas. Because the temperatures increase, our atmosphere is capable of holding more water, which would then result in longer and more frequent droughts and less frequent but more severe precipitation events and cyclonic activity. Reduced productivity as a result of extreme drought events can also extend for several years post-drought. For example, in 2011, the most severe drought on record in Texas led to statewide regional tree mortality of 6.2%. Let alone that Texas drought was the equivalent of approximately 36% of annual global carbon losses due to deforestation and land use change. Increased tree mortality affects the carbon balance. This place is vulnerable because Texas is usually hot, and a drought can seriously impact their agriculture and living conditions. The impact on the community is that their water supply would be lowered. The solutions are reducing the amount of carbon emissions we are putting into the atmosphere, but it is extremely difficult to do this on a global scale since we need all countries to aim for the same goal.